Most agency owners think that clients cancel because the results are slow, and that's wrong. I've had clients cancel on me within 30 days, not because I wasn't delivering, but because they forgot why they signed up. And once I figured out what was actually causing the churn, I automated the fix inside of Highlevel, and I haven't had to worry about it since. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Balint. I run a $30,000 a month agency while traveling with my family through Europe that I built from the ground up in just 2 years. Now, here's what nobody tells you while you're trying to scale your agent. Closing a client is only half the battle, and most people lose that battle in just a few months. And it's not because you're not doing the work. It's not because the reviews aren't coming in or the rankings aren't improving. It's because the client goes silent after they sign, and silence turns to doubt. They don't see the daily work happening behind the scenes. They just see their credit card being charged every month. So they cancel, not because you failed, but because they forgot the problem they had when they hired you. That's the real reason. Silence kills retention. So here's what I set up, and it takes just a few minutes inside of Highlevel. Every time my client gets a new Google review that's 5 stars, they get a text message from me. Something like, hey, I just wanted to let you know, another 5-star review just came in on Google. You're up to X amount of reviews now. People are starting to notice. That's it. That's the whole thing. But think about what that does psychologically. They're sitting at home at 9 p.m. and out of nowhere, they get a text saying their business just got a new review. They didn't have to do anything. I handled it. And now they're thinking about me in a good way, completely unprompted. They stay emotionally connected to the results. Every new review is a reminder of why they're paying me. Service is selling itself every single time it works. Now here's the other part that agency owners completely miss. This isn't just a retention play. It's a sales conversation starter. When a client texts back, wow, that's amazing, people are actually leaving reviews, that's your opening. Yeah, and people are also starting to find you on Google more. You want me to show you what your rankings looks like compared to last month? Now you're having a conversation about local SEO. And if they're not already on a ranking package, that's a $400 or $500 a month upsell that happened naturally because the client brought it up, not because you called them trying to sell something. I've converted review-only clients to full SEO packages this way without a single sales call. They just upgrade because they can see it working. Inside Highlevel, this is a simple automation. You set up a new trigger, new review received, and the workflow sends an SMS to your client. You write the message once, plug in the review count dynamic value, and it fires automatically every time. If you've never set up a workflow before, it's literally a 5 to 10 minute build. And once you have it built, you can save it to continue using it for each one of your sub accounts. This is the kind of thing that makes clients feel like you're working around the clock for them, when really GoHighlevel's doing, and that's the whole game. If you don't have Highlevel yet, my affiliate link is in the description below. You get an extended 30-day free trial, and you get access to my community with all the snapshots, automations, scripts, and lead magnet. If you're already on Highlevel and you want the exact retention workflow snapshot that's in my community, you can upgrade or join directly. If you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the lead magnets, the workflows, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can access it completely free with the link down below. I'll see you on the calls.